find an egg.
Where's some more? Oh my goodness! Any more? Let's see. Are there any more? There's another one, a blue one. Blue?
Ooh, say blue.
How about this way, over here? A pink one. She sees it way up there. She didn't see those down there yet. Oh!
Good job stretching.
What about over here? Look down. Look down some more. Look down. Oh my!
What color was that one?
Purple. Did you hear her say purple?
Purple.
What color is this?
Purple.
Purple. Here, come over here. Look by the windows. Look at the windows, Melody. Look at the windows. Oh, good one. Look down at the door. Look at the door. Look down. Look down.
Good job.
finder.
You could
That's
find
it
Daddy's
up here.
keys when he loses them.
Let's go out here. Go look by the windows. Go look by the window. Really?
Are these eggs? No, those are eggs.
Good job. Is there any more out here?
Yeah.
She found both of them in her house. Look over by the TV. Oh, I see some more. Where is it? Ah, it was in the baby carriage.
Oh, ooh, candy. Yummy.
Oh, she's gonna put candy in there.
There's another one, Boo
Is he
Boo.
alive?
Yeah.
Hey, Bubs.
Take this off.
Okay, look by the TV. Look by the TV.
She's getting some eggs.
Yeah. Is there any more eggs? Good job.
Oh, she's only got about 3 or
Those
4
are
more.
orange ones.
Where's some more? Look over by the pictures by Great Grandma. Oh,
You're good. You saw that one.
Ooh.
2 more.
go look over by the pictures. Go look by the
What's over
pictures
here?
over there.
What's
Look
over
down
here?
there. Melody, look down here.
Melmo. What's over here, Melmo?
Look. Look. I see it. I see it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Yay!
Yay, Melmo.
One more. Where are your crayons? Where are your crayons? Where are the crayons? You want to color? Want to color?
School time.
Ah, you got them all. Oh, there's one more.
Open up? Yeah.
Yeah.
They're M&M's. Eat M&M's?
Where's your other one?
Huh?
Where's the other one?
Just dropping them
Yeah,
inside.
she's shopping.
It's in her grocery basket. Buy her ketchup. Where's the ketchup? Where's the ketchup?
You found it. Got the pink one.
Yay, happy Easter, Melody.
Hi.
Happy Easter.
Where'd you go? some. The candy in there? Open it. Oh, candy. You kept one. Yummy. Okay, you gotta eat food.
You have some presents.